Welcome back to Math Media Ganitham Madhuram. Today I am going to discuss exercise 3.2 of class 8 mathematics, chapter 3 quadrilaterals. Today we are solving question number 4, 5 and 6. Now let's move to our first question. Our first question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? Here it is a regular polygon is given and each of its interior angle is 165 degree. We can find the number of sides. For a regular polygon means what? A polygon with all sides and angles are equal. Sum of measures of all exterior angles equal to 360 degree. So measure of each interior angle is given as 165 degree. Therefore, measure of each exterior angle will be equal to 180 minus 165. Why? Because an interior angle and its corresponding exterior angle of a polygon will form a linear pair. The angles in a linear pair will make are supplementary. So here we will get exterior angle as 180 minus 165 equal to 15 degree. Therefore, number of sides equal to 360 upon 15, that is 24. Hence, the polygon has 24 sides. Next is question number 5a. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with a measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Let's see. Regular polygon means a polygon with all sides and angles are equal. Here, each exterior angle is given as 22 degree. For a regular polygon, its all interior angles are of same measure. Similarly, its exterior angles are of same measure. Exterior angle is given 22 degree. We know that the sum of exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. Hence, the number of sides equal to 360 upon 22 equal to 180. After cancelling, we get 180 upon 11. That means, if we are dividing 360 upon 22, we will not get a whole number. That means that we cannot make a polygon with the exterior angle 22 degree. That is, if it is a regular polygon, then the number of sides must be a whole number. But here we are not getting a whole number. Hence, 22 degree cannot be an exterior angle of a regular polygon. Is it clear? Next, question B. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Can it be an interior? That is, 22 degree will be the interior angle of a regular polygon or not? We can check. Since 22 degree is an interior angle of a polygon, then its exterior angle will be 180 minus 22 equal to 158. I think you know the reason. What is the reason? Because an interior angle and corresponding exterior angle of a polygon forms a linear pair. Hence, the exterior angle will come here. 180 minus interior angle is 22 gives 158. Now we can check whether 158 degree will be the measure of exterior angle of a regular polygon or not. So what about if we know the exterior angle of a regular polygon? Then we can find the number of sides. How? That is, sum of measure of exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. One of the exterior angle is 158 degree. Hence, the number of sides equal to 360 upon 158. which is not a whole number. If it is a regular polygon, then the number of sides must be a whole number only. But here we are not getting a whole number, hence 22 degree cannot be an interior angle of a polygon also. So 22 degree cannot be an exterior angle or interior angle of a regular polygon. Next question, question number 6a. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? The minimum number of a polygon is 3. What is that a polygon? Name of that a regular polygon? That is, the regular polygon with 3 sides is an equilateral triangle, and we know that the interior angle of a equilateral triangle is 60 degree each. Hence, the minimum possible interior angle of a polygon is 60 degree, because the minimum number of sides required for a polygon is 3 only. That is, the least polygon we formed is a triangle. If it is a regular polygon, it must be an equilateral triangle. So, the minimum interior angle for a possible for a regular polygon is 60 degree. And part B, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? The sum of exterior angle and its corresponding interior angle form a linear pair, so we get 180 degree. The minimum interior angle of a regular polygon is 60 degree, that is of equilateral triangle. Hence, the maximum exterior angle of a regular polygon equal to 180 minus 60, because interior angle and corresponding exterior angle will form a linear pair. Hence, the maximum exterior angle of a regular polygon is 120 degree. Hence, the possible maximum exterior angle of a regular polygon is 120 degree.